Hey all, Will Healy here, and I've got some alliteration for you today. It's Women's Workforce Wednesday. I just read an awesome study from Deloitte Manufacturing Institute and APICS, and the study was Women in Manufacturing. Women are 47% of the US labor force, but only 29% of the manufacturing workforce. Women earn more than half of all associates, bachelor's, and master's degrees, though, and women hold more than half of all US managerial and professional positions. So, how can we raise that 29% to be more even with the rest of the workforce? Research shows that if we have gender diversity, there are benefits that manufacturers can really gain through improved availability to innovation, higher return on equity, and increased profitability. That profitability one, they had an amazing piece of data in there that said an increase from no females in corporate leadership to 30% representation is associated with a 15% increase in net profitability. Are you guys trying to figure out how to get more profitability? You need to hire women. That will really help. There are some gaps that we need to address as manufacturers, though, to retain women. We need to add more female leadership to act as role models and mentors so we can recruit and retain more women. We need to foster an inclusive and diverse workplace culture. A serious fostering and development of a workplace culture that's inclusive and diverse is really important. Third, we need to promote professional development and give interesting, challenging assignments to the women in our workforce. And fourth, we need to partner with the community, engage with schools and students, and share your manufacturing women rock stars with young women and girls in your community. I'd really be interested to hear how your company is addressing recruiting and retaining women. Leave me a note in the comments below. There are tons of great data in this report, and I really recommend that you read it yourself. I'll make sure that there's a link to it in the comments below. Be sure to hit follow for more great insights like this, and I hope you have an absolutely epic Women's Workforce Wednesday.